Techno update. Subscribe now.
Nvidia Shield Tablet Review. Design. To aid its comfort, Nvidia has tapered the edge of the back with a slight curve, making it easier to grip and hold one-handed. That means the back panel seems to blend seamlessly into the Shield tablet's matte black metal edges, which are just 9.2mm thick. Now that might not be the slimmest tablet around. Just take a look at the likes of the 6.1mm iPad Air 2 or 6.6mm Samsung Galaxy Tab S8.4, but there's no bend or flex. It looks and feels like a quality product. From the front it has the look of an elongated HTC One M8, with a pair of front-facing speakers topping and tailing that 8-inch 1080p display. There's even a daintily placed front-facing 5-megapixel HDR-capable camera in the midst of one of those speakers. Screen. We love the portability of the original Nvidia Shield, but its small screen meant it wasn't much use for anything other than games. It's a very different story with the Shield tablet. The Nvidia Shield tablet has an 8-inch, 1920 by 1200p HD display. While it might not compete with the Retina display of the iPad Mini 3 or Nexus 9, it's still a great display. Colors are rich and the clean, pure white level makes reading a pleasure. Software. The Nvidia Shield tablet runs the latest Android 4.4 KitKat, and Nvidia has been quick to confirm the Shield tablet will get the Android 5.0 Lollipop update as soon as possible. That's partly down to the fact the Shield tablet pretty much runs stock Android, with only a few Nvidia touches on the vanilla Nexus experience. Performance. Aside from solid build quality and an impressive screen, underneath the hood is where the Nvidia Shield tablet really excels. It runs on the custom-built Nvidia Tegra K1 processor clocked at 2.2 GHz combined with a 192-core Kepler GPU. There's also 2 GB of RAM. Although this can't compete with some of the RAM capacities of 3 GB touting high-end smartphones like the Samsung Galaxy Note 4, it doesn't ever struggle with running multiple apps at once, even if there are high-end Android games running away in the background. Because of the processor, we never experience lag or frame rate drop when using the Nvidia Shield tablet. It's slick and smooth whatever you're up to. Camera. In our opinion, a tablet's camera is never a top selling point when it comes to choosing between devices, and the same can be said for the Nvidia Shield tablet's rear camera. It's an average 8-megapixel camera with autofocus, but lacks any HDR functionality. All you can play within the new camera app is the white balance, and you have access to a burst mode. Strangely, you can also lower the resolution of your photos and videos down from 5 megapixels and full 1080p HD for videos, not that you'd ever want to do that.